police gonna get you.
The police
Uh-huh.
are going to get me?
Mom, I want to picture you.
No. Did you call the police on me?
Uh-huh.
You did.
Uh-huh.
Where's the phone?
Right here.
Okay, well, you need to call them back. And you need to tell them not to come get me because I ain't going.
You go.
No, I ain't going. You need to call them and you need to tell them that I ain't a-going.
Yeah, I'm going, Mom.
No, no, no. You call up the police, since you called the police on me, and you tell them that I am not going.
I said yes, I'm going.
I'm not going.
You're going to jail.
No, I ain't.
Yeah.
What did I do?
You messed up your room.
Oh, gosh, that is a punishable offense. I'm doing 5 to 10, I tell you, 5 to 10. What about your room? Your room's messy, too. You think you're going